y'all, it's your girl Minalicious back with a delicious video. You already know. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are not, you already know. Let's dig in. And today we have this greenish blue hollow cut crease look. Now, if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. You already know. Keep on watching. So I have already went and did my brows, and this is how we're gonna do them for this look. I'm gonna go in with by Benefit to conceal my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little, nothing too much. I'm gonna do the same to this eye. I'm just dabbing that in there with this brush. We're kind of looking into like this Doritos Twisted Lime look.
Not really.
See how green this is?
Oh, this smells so good.
Smells good.
This is good.
Very good. I can eat this all day. I can eat this all day, I swear. We're gonna go ahead and use a tape to crease my eyes. Like to get that sharp at the end, sharp look at the end, you know. So I went on with this tape on the edge of my eyes, so to create a sharp edge. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this eye first. We're gonna use the Morphe palette as always. So we're gonna go in with this blue here, and it's called Cola. We're just gonna brush that in, just like that. I went ahead and put some of this green just on top of that blue. And mixing that blue and green together just like this. I'm gonna do the same thing I did to this eye with this eye. I'm gonna just go in with that dark blue. What I did was I kind of dabbed that in there. Then I went in with this color
Daddy.
It said Daddy. This Daddy green color. And I kind of just blend them in together. The thing about having a primer for your eyeshadow base is the fact that it pops out and it's not all over the place. It actually pops your eyeshadows out just the way you want them to pop out. So this is how I'm gonna leave this eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with this concealer. So yes, I am just cutting my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease on my other eye too. Cutting your crease, you wanna be extra gentle and be patient with it and take your time with it, because it can get messy. I'm trying to make them as symmetrical as possible, okay? Bear with me. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply the same bluish, greenish color that I have applied on the same eye on my concealer, just like this. We're gonna go in with the blue first, just on my outer corner eyes. So I did that to this eye on this side right here, just like that. And I'm gonna go in and do it right here in a corner. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this green right here. Just right by the blue. And right here too. I'm gonna go ahead and combine this color and this color to kind of get like a neon green type of color. So this is how we are gonna leave this. I'm gonna go in and do my lashes with this Wet n Wild mascara. After the mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes. So of course, these are the lashes that I'm gonna go in with. They are just drying off. These lashes, I already put the glue in and they're just drying off right now. While my lashes are drying off, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face and put on my foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these tape off because I done forgot about that. See, that's what we were trying to get. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes on with these tweezers. I usually use my hands because I can with them tweezers. For foundation today, I'm using the Siperstay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the LA Pro concealer and conceal my under eyes, and my nose, and my big forehead. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab this in with a sponge. Just like that. After all that, I'm just gonna go ahead with the Makeup by Revolution. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything in with this Makeup Revolution. I'm just getting everywhere that I have concealed. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to contour my cheekbones and my nose. And right here. What I like to do after my foundation is go in with a pressed powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press that on my face. So what I have done up here, I'm gonna go ahead and do that to my under eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and clear off my lips. For my lips today, we are going in with this. First, I'm gonna line up my lips with the lip liner. So yeah, I just line up my lip with the lip liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and not take too much of the lipstick. Last but not least, we are going to go ahead and use this glow on my cheeks and my nose. Now, if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos.